Welcome to our channel. Sobrang gulo ng aking hair, but nevertheless, I'm just gonna give you an update of our mini garden here and ano naman yung mga na itanim natin, and mga bagong plants natin, tsaka ano yung mga na-sow natin para ready na for the next harvest. So let me just show you. Okay guys, so if you remember here, this area here is supposed to be my project raised bed. No, so I'm just using hollow block. So here there's a ginseng here. So marami na siyang leaves ngayon, guys. Ayan, no. Meron siyang 2, 4, 6, 7. Dati ano lang to, 3. So it's getting healthy. Kasi maganda, nagtutubuan ng mga dahon niya. And I have here santan. And in this raised bed, guys, what I'll show you is nagtanim ako dito ng kamote. So here they are. So, tinusok ko lang yung trunk ng ganito. Ayan, nagtubuan na siya. And then, I have here the small sprouts here. Or munggo. Ayan. Tapos, on this side naman, guys, I still have my old tomato. Hindi lang naalagaan, kaya medyo nag-dry na. Pero tingnan mo, may bunga pa rin siya. And I planted 2 new tomato here. Ayan. Tapos, on this side, guys, our sile and a marigold. Okay, ayusin lang natin ang marigold natin. Okay, so here my sile, labuyo. Yan, maliit lang, payat lang siya, pero ayan, namumunga siya. And next, here is a pomelo. And here you got here is sili pa rin. And then I have here munggo, a daikon, radish. Just on this plot alone, guys, ha. Sige lang, ilagyan. I have here okra and melon. Lumaki na yung melon ko, guys. Marami siyang flower here at the bottom. So I also had here marigold. I have an alugbate. Okay, daikon, okra, yan. So, on this side naman, guys, here, I will be composting here. Use muna to, i-compose ko man to siya. So, ito yung mga newly planted ko na alugbati, guys. Etong maliliit na to are from seeds. Tapos, ito naman, yung sa tusok lang. Yan yung mga bago natin. And then, here, this one here, is a morning glory na flower. Ayan. Okay, tapos, still in a work in progress, guys. Here, ayan din, alugbate. Nilagay namin sa mga gulong. And I get some flowers here, new flowers. Yan. Okay. Never kami natubuan dito ng papaya. Pero sana ito, mamunga na siya. Yan. Tapos, I'm going to do also borders na mga marigold kasi I have a lot of marigold lately na tinanim ko. So gusto kong maglagay ng mga border flower. So let me just also show you my labuyo. So this is another area. Ayan, guys. Grabe, look at the sile. Dami. Diba? Sobrang dami ng sili. Tapos here naman is a pepper. And then we have our new planted pipino still growing pa and climbing. We have here chives or sibuyas, dahon. Ayan, 2 nilagay namin. Look at our peanut. It's getting better. And then here we got a new patola rin na variety. So meron kasi kami doon medyo old na. So here naman we have a new variety of, ang sipag nito mamunga, guys. Ayan ang kanyang bunga. Yan. Wala na masyadong talong, guys, lately. Pero marami na kaming gabi lately there, oh. Yan. Tapos, flowers, border flowers. We have santan here. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. These are our small calamansi. Ayan. Ganda na calamansi. Gusto talaga nila ang ano. Tapos we have still our kamote. Hindi pa namin pinalitan. And I have here still flowers. These are our avocado, evergreen avocado. Then we started planting the talong. Yan. And then here are pechay. Parang 2 weeks lang ay naging malaki na siya. Tapos there are lantana. And here, ang aking small nursery. Dito ko lang nilagay. Ayan. So may mga bucket kaming fruit-bearing trees here. We have here an avocado here. This is avocado. Ito, this is lemon. And you'll see here, there, that's mango. So try lang guys. Baka naman lumaki, di ba? And on this part here guys are pipino. Ayan, pipino to siya. Then we have our ampalaya in there. We have our lemongrass. Okay, lemongrass. We have ampalaya. Still we have here a papaya. Yan, so nagtanim din kami ng coffee tree. Dami namin tinanim. Let's see. So we still have here avocado. Ayan. And I just transplanted lang some of my sowed seeds na here. These one here, guys, these are kanturay. And I have here alabuyo and sile. Iba daw ang variety nito na bili ko. And then these are beans. Kanturay pa rin. And then I have peche for transplanting. There you go. Here. Marami din, oh. Yan. So, yan yung update natin for the month of May. And I'm also thinking about transplanting all my sile. Although maganda naman ang tubo nila here, just here, like for example here. Uy, marami din siyang bunga, pero mas iba talaga pag direct ground guys, ang sile. Mas, ano siya, mas better siya. And then here, sa baba, hindi na tumaas. Those are beans. And then, there's some okra there. So, experience-wise, guys, if you have... Oops! What happened to them? Kasi they're getting bigger. Pag talagang wala masyadong sand, your plants are not growing well. So, tataas lang sila, pero they're not giving you enough fruit. Okay, let's just help lang our marigold there na natumban na. Saan na yun? Here, this one. Okay. Here are marigold. So, I'm starting to plant a lot of marigold lately, guys. Kasi, mabilis lang pala silang. Madali lang naman silang itanim. So, pero there's in paso. So, lately, ida-direct natin sila para mas tumagal sila. Okay. So, what else do we have here? Still here, sile guys. There are still sile. There are, hindi na, madami kasi hindi na tayo, wala pa tayong mag-weed. There is our kamatis. And then we have our sitaw. Asan na yung sitaw namin? Mulberry. Here, marami. Guys, these comes, ito mga fruit bearing trees ito comes from the nursery lang. So, we plant it here. And yan siya, mag-iisang taon na itong guava namin. Marami na siyang leaves. Ayan, no. Dami siyang leaves. Super healthy siya. And here naman are bird's chili. Kasi maliliit. At plus nakapagpatubo rin ako. Ang hirap patubuin nito, promise. So, hirap na hirap talaga ako. And, of course, avocado. Ayan. So, here, if you have a little small plot at your home, pwede ka palang magtanim ng variety, guys. So, that's polyculture. So, iba-ibang klase ng plants. I have here marigold here. I have melon. I have radish. Sile. Ayan. So, you will know how big they are once they're in one place. We have here okra. Ayan. Sorry, you go down from there, nak. And Here, there's our plants. Nakapaso pa siya. So, eto, hindi ko siya pwedeng ilagay muna sa our plants kasi hindi ko pala kung saan ko siya ilalagay. In fact, dun nga pala sa bahay namin, meron pala akong roses doon. So, kailangan ko siyang itanim na rin dito para mas mag-sprout pa siya. There goes, guys. There naman are passion fruit. Ayan. So, that's it. That's our update for today. And hope you enjoy what you've been watching lately. And until then, guys, bye-bye.